ahenda amateka.
Umushomo wo gutwira mu cyayi cya St Kagwa High School ku marebero bishatu aho ingwiyanje y'abantu yeshikireyo batyo bakigisubuko bakubasa ku cyeno obworo emitwe yabo okurabiro mu bitekateko mu bigambo no mu bikorwa.
Riches begin from the way you think about yourself, about what you have, your environment, and that's what they call attitude. If you get government money through the parish development program and you don't know how to serve a customer, that money is good money, but it is in wrong hands and you're going to waste it.
Charles Ochich orukuru restongore cha Enterprise Uganda kandi biraryo mwegisa mukuru ha mushomogu ayorekera bukoryo bw'umuntu yakubasa koresa business ye katunguka.
In the business arena, nobody goes to a marketplace saying, I want to buy eggs today, but where are widows? Where are young people? Where are people without legs? I'm looking for eggs. You won't say, I have visitors tomorrow. Where can I get the best eggs? I've got a wedding.
Omnyishengero kazabwa district ya Bushenyi Anet Katusime mugishano wabiraryo mugenyi mukuru ha mukorogu kandi nuwagutire mu sente kubaho. Ogwasimire government ya NRM na mnonga president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabo kutandika yehoro yo kurwanisa obworo.
Enterprise Uganda ni programs za government begishe aha parish development model batwegesa okuturakoze sente zo twazugwine batugambira ngo torukwenda kuzomba banka kwiyayo capital kutandika business. You start small and grow big. No wako ino mutwaro no tandika business.
Bamwe mu begesibwe bahiro bujuruzi nko kuba rukwija ku cyeno obworo kandi basimira omnyishengero kazuwaba habo kubiguramisho.
Nyegire mu kugira ngo waza kutandika business utandike business eri kusorobinga ebizubu by'abantu. Utakatandika business eri kusorobinga ebizubu byawe utandike business eri kusorobinga ebizubu by'abantu. Ekyakabire kinyegiremu no kugira ngo nobasa kuzarwo ryo mworo ejo tishobe yawe konko kufo ryo mworo ishangire ejo niyo shobe yawe.
Batwegisa umujyango nobasa kutunga enkoko ibiri zenkazi na menshaki ibiri mu myaka 5 oyiho mu basi.
Abantu barukwika 15 na mushanzo no betabero mu mushomogu aho buriyo mahirwe certificate kandi ubona nibeja kora turi kurebe bashomere baba babitiro mu nkora rero barashangira kugenda mission eja kwaturwaho gashakwa mayiko twakire.